If you're looking to analyze security logs in Tenable, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through exactly how to use Tenable to get clear insights into your security posture. By the end, you'll know how to sift through those security logs like a pro. First, let's start by accessing Tenable. When you log in, you're immediately greeted with your main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Log Management section. Here's where you can find all your logs collected from different network devices and systems across your infrastructure. You can either view logs by individual systems or by categories like firewalls, intrusion detection systems, or vulnerability scanners. Next thing, understanding what you're looking at. Security logs are full of data, but they can look overwhelming at first. What you need to focus on are the entries that indicate any suspicious activities or security breaches. For example, look for failed login attempts, unusual user behavior, or unauthorized access patterns. These will be flagged within Tenable and should be reviewed closely. You can also set up filters for specific types of logs like authentication errors, so you only see what matters most to you. Now, the third thing, you can take advantage of Tenable's built-in alerting feature. This feature will notify you instantly when something suspicious shows up in your logs. By setting the right thresholds, such as multiple failed login attempts within a short time span, you can quickly detect potential threats and act on them. These alerts help you stay proactive rather than reactive in your security measures. The fourth thing, let's talk about analyzing the timeline of events. Once you've identified suspicious entries, the next step is to trace back to when and where the issue started. Tenable allows you to analyze security logs in chronological order, so you can piece together the sequence of events leading to a potential breach. Understanding this timeline is crucial for pinpointing the origin and scope of the attack. And lastly, once you've identified key insights, it's time to generate reports. Tenable makes it easy to export and share reports. You can generate customizable reports based on your specific needs, such as vulnerabilities identified, attack attempts, or compliance gaps. This way, you're not just analyzing logs, but also compiling them into actionable data that your team can use to strengthen security moving forward. So there you have it. Analyzing security logs in Tenable is all about knowing where to look, filtering out noise, setting up alerts, understanding the timeline, and then creating actionable reports. To get started, you can use Tenable for free by clicking the first link below, and we're offering an exclusive bonus with your trial. Remember, understanding security logs is key to staying one step ahead of potential threats. Make sure to check out the extended free trial link for Tenable and dive deeper into how this powerful tool can help you keep your system safe.